Microplastics, the invisible invaders of our ecosystems. These tiny particles are everywhere, from the product we use daily to the waste we discard. This documentary explores the three main types of microplastics: microbeads, larger plastic pieces, and foam. Microbeads are tiny pieces of plastic, often microscopic, added to a range of products, including rings of cosmetics, personal care, and cleaning products. They are usually included for their exfoliant or abrasive properties. These beads are too small to be filtered out during sewage treatment, leading them to enter our rivers, lakes, and oceans.
Microbes are mistaken for food by fish and other marine animals. These microplastics can cause physical harm, malnutrition, and poisoning. When ingested, they can obstruct digestive tracts, lead to starvation, or cause internal injuries. Moreover, microbes absorb toxins from the environment, which can be transferred the food chain, ultimately affecting human health. The ingestion of these toxic microbes poses a significant risk to marine biodiversity and ultimately to human populations that rely on seafood for nutrition. Larger plastic pieces break down into smaller fragments over time, contributing further to microplastic pollution. This plastic often get mistaken for food by marine animals, causing blockage, injuries, and often death. As these larger pieces degrade, they create additional environmental hazard.
Plastic items like bags and bottles can entangle marine animals, leading to injury or death. For instance, turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, a common food source, which can result in suffocation or fatal digestive blockage. Plastic can take anywhere from 20 to 500 years to decompose, and even then, it never fully disappears. It just becomes smaller and smaller. This persistent pollution not only affects marine life, but also alters the composition of marine ecosystems. Foam is another form of microplastic that is particularly problematic due to its lightweight nature. It easily breaks into small pieces that are ingested by marine life. Once ingested, foam can cause internal blockage and release toxic chemicals into the bodies of marine animals. These chemicals, such as styrene, are linked to various health issues, including cancer and reproductive problems.
The widespread presence of foam in marine environments disrupts food chains and threatens the survival of numerous species. Seabirds, for example, often feed foam pieces to their chicks, mistaking them for food, leading to high mortality rates among young birds. Research indicates that the ingestion of foam and other microplastics is a growing threat to marine biodiversity with potentially devastating effects on the entire ecosystem. What can we do to combat this growing problem? First, we can choose products that do not contain microbeads. Many companies now offer eco-friendly alternatives. Secondly, we must reduce our reliance on single-use plastics and increase our efforts to recycle and properly dispose of plastic waste.
Thirdly, supporting legislation that bans or restricts the use of harmful plastics can lead to significant reductions in pollution. Many countries have already taken steps to ban microbeads and single-use plastics. Finally, raising awareness and educating the public about the dangers of microplastics can drive collective action towards protecting our oceans. By making conscious choices and advocating for change, we can preserve the health of our planet for future generations. Microplastics may be small, but their impact on the environment is immense. It is up to each of us to take action and protect our planet for future generations.